Oftentimes when people hear the word or term experiential learning, they kind of cock their head a little bit because they're really not quite sure what it means. And they say, is that something like an experiment? Well, in a way it is, because in an experiment we do something, don't we? We try something out. Experiential learning in the training context means learning how to do something, not necessarily just knowing about something. So there's a real difference. Let me give you an example. Let's say you need to learn how to fix a flat tire. Great skill, by the way. So you go to a training class on how to fix a flat tire. When you walk into the class, you see a tire, you see a flat tire. It's on the ground. You see a jack, you see a tire iron, you see the lug nuts. And you say, wow, I'm going to really learn how to fix a flat tire. Now compare that experience with going down the street to your local university. You walk into this room. First of all, it's an enormous lecture hall, and it's tiered, and it has whiteboards and blackboards. You know, some of these schools still use blackboards, if you can believe it. And professor comes in. Professor has a corduroy jacket on with the leather patches on the sleeve, maybe a little pipe sticking out of his pocket. And the first thing the professor says is, we're going to learn how to fix a flat tire. And this is unit number 1, lecture number 1, the history of rubber. Well, now you know you're not in the right place. You might know something about how to fix a flat tire, but you're not going to know how to do it. Our clients have insisted on experiential learning for years. That's not new. And especially our clients in Asia, in particular Japan, India, and China, are very adamant that our programs have how to do stuff in them, that they're chock full of how to do's. But what's different now for 2011 and moving forward, and I don't believe this will ever change, is that they just don't want us to teach their project managers how to do something in a generic sense or how to do something in their industry. They want us to engage these learners in learning how to do something specifically as specifically as they should in their organization, how they want to do something. After all, these people are not working on generic projects, are they? So why should they learn a generic approach?